At the heart of America's potato country, the journal of each crispy samosa begins right here. Every potato is cleaned right on the field, ensuring only the best will make it to the factory.
Large batch looks great today. Yeah.
Yep, perfect for the filling base.
California's rich soil produces some of the highest quality onions used in U.S. food manufacturing.
Make sure the cilantro stays chilled, and we ship to Chicago this afternoon.
New Mexico's famous chili peppers add the bold flavor signature to every samosa. The crispy shell begins its journey here, in America's wheat belt.
Moisture level holding steady at 11%. Perfect.
Temperature-controlled trucks protect the freshness of every harvest across thousands of miles.
Seal every crate tight. Chicago plant needs them by tomorrow.
Every ingredient must pass USDA organic residue screening before entering the food chain.
Inbound, lot 47A, confirmed. Moving to cold storage.
Strict FDA cold chain standards preserve freshness before processing.
Gluten level perfect for dough elasticity.
From Kansas fields to Minnesota mills, America's grain network ensures continuous production.
Unload lot A47. Start wash cycle 1.
NSF high-pressure cleaning removes every trace of soil before peeling.
Peeling efficiency at 98%. Perfect.
AI-enabled cutting ensures uniform texture for the samosa filling.
Skin removal perfect. Send them to dicing.
Advanced air filtration keeps workers safe from onion vapors.
Leaf integrity looks great. No bruising.
Fresh herbs become a smooth, aromatic paste used in the filling blend.
Particle size at 80 microns. Perfect chili powder.
High-protein Midwest wheat ensures a strong, elastic dough.
Mesh integrity perfect. No metal fragments detected.
Only FDA certified spices are allowed into the blend.
Batch weight confirmed. Send into AGV line.
Autonomous AGVs keep production flowing without a single pause.
All materials confirmed. Ready for blending.
Pressure cycle complete. Open vent.
Rapid cooling ensures the perfect texture before mixing.
Mixing speed steady at 120 RPM. Looks good.
Robotic dosing guarantees consistency in every batch.
Cilantro dose is perfect. Continue.
FDA-certified spices elevate the signature taste of U.S.-made samosas.
Sodium level exactly on target.
A precise touch of canola oil ensures the perfect creamy binding.
Blend uniformity at 97%. Excellent.
Temperature control is essential to guarantee microbiological safety.
Cooling cycle engaged. Drop to 20 degrees Celsius.
AI ensures every batch matches the factory's gold standard.
Flavor correction applied.
Every batch is sampled for laboratory evaluation.
Moisture at 43.3%, within target range.
Quality is maintained through continuous fine-tuning.
Approved. Sending to forming line.
Gentle agitation keeps the filling smooth and ready.
Flow rate optimal. No blockages.
A stable pressure ensures seamless filling for the next production stage.
Starting batch 12. Flour input at full measure.
EPA-compliant water ensures perfect dough consistency.
Oil dosage exact. Proceeding.
Torque level stable. Dough forming perfectly.
Elasticity must meet exact standards before the dough is rolled. Thickness control enabled. Begin fine rolling.
The dough sheet reaches the exact thickness required for perfect samosa skins.
Thickness uniformity, 99.7%. Each circle is cut with surgical precision. Circular sheets transferred. A fine dusting of U.S. cornstarch keeps the sheets from sticking.
Half moons ready for folding station.
Sheets glide seamlessly into the forming zone.
Oil mist applied uniformly. Only flawless sheets move forward.
Thickness perfect. Approving batch.
Prepared sheets rest briefly before shaping.
Humidity stable. Sheets look perfect.
Automation keeps the production flow continuous. Shaping line engaged. Begin forming cycle. In the U.S. shaping line, every fold is engineered for perfection.
Perfect dosing. Continue line speed.
The final fold locks the filling safely inside.
Seal integrity holding at 100%.
Nothing goes to waste. Everything is reclaimed efficiently.
Alignment complete.
Temperature control at every point ensures ideal frying.
Fryer temperature set at 185 degrees Celsius. Perfect.
In just seconds, each samosa forms its signature crispy exterior.
Perfect fry. Move to de-oiling.
A rapid chill keeps the samosa crispy for packaging.
Color grade A. Batch approved.
Each batch undergoes acoustic crispness testing.
Samosas approved. Send to packaging.
Cooling cycle stable at 8 degrees Celsius. Send them to weighing. Batch weight perfect for 10-piece PET trays.
Tray loading accuracy at 100%. Secure snap-fit lids ensure freshness without altering crispiness. The sealed trays pass through a clean air purging chamber, where HEPA-filtered airflow reduces microbial load, ensuring FDA-grade purity.
Sleeve alignment perfect. Continue with batch B12. Print quality sharp. Continue run. Pause.
Fail.
Pause.
Pause.
Tray validated. Send to cartoning.
As the transparent film tightens smoothly around the load, the machine ensures a vibration-safe wrap, critical for transit.
Beep. Data saved.
AGV vehicles maintain uninterrupted cold chain integrity, ensuring product crispness is preserved from factory to retailer.
Ping.
Inventory added.
Batch B12, fully approved. Release for outbound logistics.
Beep. 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 Inbound confirmed.
Beep. Route assigned.
Crispy samosas.